Welcome back to another video. So I have some Maniology products to share with you, some stamping plates, polishes, some other products that they have in their store. So this is a PR haul. So I want to thank Maniology for sending it for me to share with you. I'm going to go through everything and maybe we'll do a little bit of stamping to try out some of the plates and polishes, maybe even the kit. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I have in front of me, then keep watching and we'll get started. So Maniology sent me a bunch of different products. I picked a few and the rest they just threw in so I could share them with you. So the first one I want to show you, or the ones I want to show you, are the stamping plates that I picked. So this one, the first one is called the Holiday Occasions Sparkling Celebration. This is a single plate, so I love their packaging. It's so colorful and fun. And on the back, it does give instructions on how to stamp. So I'll show you this one. Now this is more of, I would say, a New Year's plate or celebration, like it says plate. Perfect for New Year's if you guys are looking for one. And this does have a blue film on it. So you take that off and you go to stamp, and it's M042. And I should tell you before I move on, I do have a 10% off code. You can see that up on the screen. So make sure you use that code if you want 10% off. And I will, as always in all my videos, I put the links to the products down in the description of the video. So the link for every product that I share will be there. Just wanted to get that out of the way so I don't forget to tell you. But anyways, it's a really cute plate. And the next one is called Winter Layers Christmas Lights. Again, nice packaging. I'll pull it out so we can look at it better. Now this is like a layered plate like it says. So you could do the bottom base layer a different color. And then when you stamp, you can stamp with a totally different color. So it's a layered look. I just really like this one. I wanted to try it. And at the end of this video, I am going to try out a few of the plates and polishes, so we're going to see what they're like. I have purchased Maniology plates in the past. It used to be called Bundle Monster, and they were my first plates I think I ever purchased, and I liked them so much I still have them, but they did change their name to Maniology. I love the name. And just so you know, if you ever saw Bundle Monster, that is Maniology, and they do have great stamping plates and other products now as well. But yeah, so let's move on to the next thing. So they also carry cleanup brushes with a lid. I'll pull it out so you can see better. So it has Maniology 105 on it. I'm gonna bring it there so you can see it better. And it has that angled brush, and it's nice and thin. That would be a perfect cleanup brush. And there's the lid for it, which is nice. It has a lid. I love the crystals. So the next thing is a Maniology Pineapple Cotton Grabber. So we'll open it up and take a look. So this is for cleaning when you're doing stamping. Oh, I love it. Look at that. How cute is that? So that is where you put your cotton balls, and then when you're cleaning off your plates, you're not getting it all over your hands. Oh my goodness, that is so adorable. I hadn't looked at this yet and I love it. Very cute. So it just retracts when you're not using it, but when you are using it, you just hold down and you can clean like that. I'm going to use this in the video. It's so cute. So we've got a smudge-free top coat and a sticky base coat in this box. I'll show you. So here's your sticky base coat. Now this is perfect for doing reverse stamping. I don't know if you guys have ever seen reverse stamping. It's when you stamp on the actual stamper and you don't put it on the nail and you add color to the stamper. Well, this you would put on the nail, and when you're ready to transfer the image, it's gonna take it and stick it nicely to the nail. So that's that. That's new. I don't think they had that before. Great idea. And then we've also got, like I said, their smudge-free top coat. So if you're stamping and you're not using gel polishes, you can use this as your top coat. And this one is 13 mils. And I think this one was too. Yes, this one's 13 mils. Now they have stamping polish. They got really good stamping polish. Now you can buy these trios. This is the one I picked. So I thought this would be perfect for Christmas. So I'll just open it to show you it better. This one is called Put a Ring on It, just so you know. So it says on here, they're handpicked by our team as the perfect complement to your growing polish collection. Our polishes are 5 free, so you can breathe a little easier. Multitask, perfect as a base color, and vibrant as a stamping polish for all your nail stamping needs. So yeah, you can use this for polish as well as stamping. So I'll pull them out so you can see the colors better. Again, I love the box. So fun. Okay, so we've got a really nice silver. It's called So Metal B186. And you can swatch right on there, which is nice. So if you have it in a drawer, you can swatch and then you'll know the color it is. But look at that silver, very nice. The next one is called Heart of Gold. And again, you can swatch on top. And these are 13 mils as well. So most of their bottles must be 13 mils. And there's the gold. And the last one, this is really pretty for Christmas. This one is called Ruby Slipper. Again, swatch. Oh, that's really nice. That's a nice Christmas one. And they don't have a strong odor, so that is really nice, just so you know. So the last thing I'm going to be showing you, now they have starter kits, stamping starter kits, and there's quite a few different ones, but I picked this one. So this one is called Wild Heart Stamping Starter Kit. So if you want to try out Maniology and you're not sure what to purchase, these are perfect for trying out, seeing if you like it, seeing if you can stamp. I've been stamping for years, so I can do it pretty good. But if you're a new stamper, sometimes a starter kit is perfect to get used to stamping. Then you can pick some nice plates, some nice polish, and practice until you get better. And then of course you can always buy more then, but we're going to take a look at this starter kit, and it just kind of tells you what to do with it, the steps in order to stamp. It says to scrape, stamp, and swoon your way to self-expression. So let's take a look at this one. Okay, so I'm going to take a look what's in here and show you guys. So a cute stamping plate, and this one is M015 or M015. Those are really cute patterns. And of course you take the foil off to use it. It's just protecting it. Oh, and we've got another stamping plate. This is really fun. Like both of these plates, I think these would get used a lot. So it looks like it comes with a Maniology little scraper. Perfect. And it looks like it's a stamping guide. So it's going to tell you, if you're new to this, exactly how to do it. It gives you troubleshooting tips too. It tells exactly how to do it. Okay, so we've got a couple polishes in here, stamping polishes. I'm just going to pull them out. This one I'd say is more of a light coral maybe. And there's the name of this polish on the bottom. I'll just open it to show you. Now these ones are a little bit smaller. These are 7 mils. And of course you can swatch on top. Yeah, so more of a, I would say a light coral color, really pretty. I like the fact, I didn't say this before, but you can swatch on the white to see what it looks like, and you can swatch on the black, which is nice too, to see what it looks like on both colors. So that's the one polish. Let's see the other polish. That's a pretty kind of almost bluey turquoise color. It's called Teardrop. Kind of a bluish, yeah, I'd say more turquoise. It's really pretty. And the last thing looks like you get is a stamper, which is awesome. Mostly when you're starting out stamping, it's good to have a good stamper. I'll just bring it out to show you. Really cute. This is Maniology, and I'm just going to open it so you can see better. So the Maniology is on the side and a cute little lid. And there's the stamper. I'm just going to put it back in. It's nice, soft, squishy one. I can tell it's going to stamp really nice. So that is what you get in one of the starter kits. There's a bunch of different ones. I just chose this one because I like the way the stamping plates looked. I like the colors, but there's a lot of different ones. So now I'm going to stamp a few different things. I think I'll use this kit and we'll stamp 1 or 2 tips, and then maybe I'll stamp a couple or one of the Christmas ones as well to show you guys how well they stamp and work. So I'm just going to push everything aside. I'm going to put something down better that won't get stained from the polish, and then I'll be right back. Everything I need, and I'm going to be using this plate, and I think we're going to do this image and something I'm going to do a little different. So this image, of course, there's 2 different patterns. So I'm going to use the one color on the top and the one color on the bottom, and you can do that. So I will have to slide that way so I don't mix the colors, but we're going to do that and see how that looks on this one. And then I might do maybe this image or this image after, we'll see. But yeah, we're going to do that on a white base of gel polish. So I just am going to have to wipe off that sticky layer. So I should tell you too, this is the starter kit I'm using. So this was the polish in it, both polishes. So just want to get it on the top. And of course I'll be careful not to get it on the bottom part. And then I'm going to take this one, go across the bottom. And then what you do, just going to scrape across that 45-degree angle. I'm just going to roll it upwards. So that transferred. It's not perfect, but I got to get used to this. So we'll just stick it on here. So that worked pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's cute. You get the idea. Just gonna take that smudge proof top coat and we're gonna go over it. So there it is, top coated. It's really cute. You could do it on a darker base too, or a different color, but you get the idea. Now we're gonna try one more, and I'm gonna do something different to show you. So I picked a really glittery base. Now this is a Twinkle Flash glitter, and I'm going to just wipe off that sticky layer and then clean off my plate. I'm going to use this image. I really like it. I'll show you. I'm going to try this one. And then I'm going to use the blue because I love the turquoisey blue. Let's see what it turns out like. '45-degree angle. And then we're going to pick it up. That transferred really nice. Let's grab my tip. Oh, that's really pretty. I'm going to top coat it and then I'm going to dim the light and show you this one. So I'm just grabbing the smudge proof top coat. Look how pretty that one is. Now I'm going to dim the light and turn the flash on so you can see what it looks like. So here it is dim. Look at how beautiful that stamp is with that glittery polish underneath. So pretty. I love stamping over glitters and the way they pop through. Such a pretty image. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Of course, practice makes perfect on stamping. I am used to a bigger stamper, so just have to roll that little one a little bit to get used to it, but it's a good stamper, excellent stamping plates. I love their starter kit. This was a really nice one. I like their top coat and the sticky polish. Watch my future videos, my Watch Me Work videos, because I definitely will be using that as well and showing you ways you can use that. But I just want to say thank you to Maniology for sending me everything to share with you. I think there's some great products on their sites. Check it out, and all the links will be below in the description and my 10% off code. So I will see everybody in the next one.